Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins. We have the ship what they call it, album out. Currently there are two sets of coins with ships on that Pobjoy are doing. There's this Valenian one, which is 6 ships in, and each one of them's in a coin housing, and it fits into this album. The other ones are carded ship coins. Now if we open this up, excuse me, as you can see we already have 4 coins. The 4 coins we have are from the British Virgin Islands, and they're a $1 coin in each case, and we have the Golden Hind, the Santa Maria, HMS Astrea and RMS Rome. This is the 5th coin of the 6 in the series. Let me just close that and put that there, and let's there we go. This coin is from the British Virgin Islands. It has Queen Elizabeth II, the date of 2022, and it's the JC portrait. Fairly standard 50p shaped coin. On the back is the new ship coin, and this is HMS Nymph. Now I'm just going to put that down there. Come on, come back into focus. There we go. I'll leave you there and I'll read you what has been said about HMS Nymph. HMS Nymph was a 14-gun sloop under the command of the Royal Navy. Her role was to protect English interests from the threat of French and American privateers. In 1783, while at Tortolo, a fire broke out on the ship and it was destroyed and sank into Road Town's harbour. In 1969, after degrading in Road Town harbour, the remains of Nymph were discovered, but no excavation was conducted. The location of the wreck was subsequently lost and remains a mystery. So this ship, the beautiful ship that you see on this coin, no longer exists, which is fair enough because it was in the 1780s. It was lost when fire broke out and sank. It was found and subsequently lost again, and they can't find it, which is a crying shame because it would probably be infested with wildlife and all sorts. So the coin itself, we have the $1 logo at the 1 o'clock sort of position. We have the HMS Nymph. We have the HMS Nymph's name at the bottom edge of the coin underneath the area that represents the water. The mirror back finish that allows the frosted area of the coin, which has the ship's shape is made out of. There is a 3 masts by the looks of it. Is it 3? Or maybe 2 masts ship. It was almost like a little galleon. It was actually a type of vessel called a sloop. Now, for that time, having the gunnery that it had on it was probably quite sufficient to do the job. It was probably a lightweight type ship in comparison to the big multi-gun bristling ships that used to sail particularly in the Channel waters. I'm thinking of course of Mary Rose and that sort of type of ship. So let's get the coin into position. which is in position 5 of 6. The next coin that is due out is HMS Formidable, and it's the last of the 6 coin series. So there is HMS Nymph in position. It is a lovely coin. Tell me, what do you think of this set so far, from what you've seen of it? When I do get the final coin for HMS Formidable that goes in here, what I'll do is take all the coins out and show you each coin individually, because once this set is finished you won't see it again, and I think it's important for you to see what you can collect and what is available out there. So from what you've seen of the coins so far, what do you think of it? Do you like this set of coins? Are you collecting them yourselves? Let me know in the comments below. I'm kind of glad that this coin series is coming to an end, because it allows me to look for another coin series such as this to last me possibly the rest of this year. I do enjoy these sets when I can collect them all. The one regret I do have is that I didn't collect the coloured sea, the fish, and I think there was maybe a starfish and a couple of other different ones that were available last year. I think I'd have really liked that set. In fact, I know I'd have liked that set very much. I did like it when I saw it, but couldn't afford it at the time. So, what do you think of this set? Would you collect it, or would you look at buying it as a full set when they come out, when the final coin comes out? I'm sure they'll have a few full sets available. If you've enjoyed this review, please give me the thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything, and it takes only a second or two. And if you haven't done so already, could you think about subscribing to the channel? My aim for this year is to grow the channel and look to establish myself more, and to do that I need views. I need views of the videos, I need subscriptions, and I need likes. So in any way that you can help me out, if you think I deserve it, please give me the like, subscribe to the channel, and please comment. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you like over the next week. Finally, if you're having a coin hunt, I hope you have success and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you, and ta-ra now. Bye-bye. Ta-ra.